Hello, everyone, and welcome back to more Harvest Moon.
Yo, everybody!
And let's check our crops.
Yeah, hopefully they've grown.
Oh, the potatoes are coming in.
Yep.
You don't have your water.
Right.
Remember, we were tending the field last night.
I do now. What could be in the toolbox?
I don't know.
I mean, tools. Tools and more tools? Okay, cool. Come on.
There we go. Water for you, water for you, water for you.
You all get water!
I wish it would rain.
Oh, yes. But you know, the weather is being stubborn. For some damn reason.
Oh, well, it's typical weather of... Well, this is always what happens to me, is I'll have a day of rain, a holiday, and then another day of rain.
Ah. But... Oh, no.
Which is great when I have things planted, but terrible when I'm trying to plant things or tend the field.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, some of the weather in this game I hate.
Oh, yeah. Isn't there like a hurricane or something where you're stuck indoors for the day?
Oh, yeah. But there's also like a blizzard, too.
Yeah. Alright, that's the field's watered. It's only 9:30. Gonna go forage in the woods for our survival.
Forage for our 800. Oh. We have our 800 gold.
Yeah, we gotta pay.
So, we figure I'll swing by his shop, pick up.
The brush.
Or should I wait until we have more money?
You should probably just get it now.
Yeah.
It's not like we have need for anything else.
Yeah, and once our stuff grows, we'll have all the money.
We'll have a decent chunk of money.
So, pick that up.
Closed.
No! I would be so angry.
Well, if it isn't Cody and the Funny Farm, what can I do for you today?
I want the brush.
Wow, Jesus Christ, the Melker's 2,000. We ever can't improve any of our tools, especially the watering can.
Yeah, like, I really hate how they do the upgrading in this, though.
No, the N64 one was just, if you used it enough, it would just upgrade.
Automatically?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I wish this would do that.
Mind you, it took a while, because I feel like it was like 100 for the first upgrade, and then 200 for the next one. Who's a good boy? Get down. Where is our horse?
I don't know.
There it is.
Oh, hi. Hey, stop. Stop! Stop running, you idiot!
Stop pushing him along.
Rosek. Hey, there we go. Now off to get our last weed or whatever to sell. Is it magic grass?
It's just herbs. We just call it herbs for all legal intents. And I face
A bamboo shoot.
yeah, that's what they're called. Words that do not work with me today.
What?
Words that do not work with me today.
My words never work with me. That was slap me upside the head.
That explains so much.
And there we go. Now,
I guess we should go localize again.
Localize. I think you mean socialize.
Either or.
I've been trying for the last, however many days, I've been trying to get to the beach, but everybody wants us to talk to them. Oh, really? Come on.
What?
I just thought maybe something would happen.
So, you just thought randomly going to the beach on a random Saturday, something would happen. I'm sorry.
Just any old day, actually. Any day.
Sorry, life don't work that way. It's Gossip Circle. And you just phased through that woman. I am now Carol.
Oh look, Carol's walking in place.
These women don't exist. These are all figments of my imagination.
My psychosis is taking me.
Like, the mayor walks by, you're just like running, standing in place somewhere, talking with yourself. Mayor's like, we might have to get rid of the new guy. Since coming to the village, I've been thinking about what to do, but I can't decide on anything. That is the worst Trunks impression you will ever hear.
You sicken me.
As I should. Don't worry, everyone. I will go and hang myself after.
Closed on Wednesdays.
Well, we have no money anymore, so.
Yeah, we have about
$10.
Yep, 10 gold.
That's enough for a beer.
Let's go find out, Devin.
Probably not, knowing this place.
I think it's 100.
Oh, wow, really?
Yep.
God, I better be floored right after.
Hey, everybody. I'm here to get tipsy and turvy. Wait, what?
Yeah, what?
I don't know.
They don't even sell beer here.
Probably not until later.
Yeah. I imagine the evening. I get a water. Haven't had anything to drink since I moved in. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I just pulled that out of the toilet, so.
Well, I wouldn't doubt it.
Bottoms up, I guess.
Like, I gotta admit, this place looks run down and crappy.
It's rustic.
Is that another word for crusty?
You just don't understand the charm of the country.
Or the smell.
Okay, I can't fault you there.
shut up.
I like how you just stop to yell at a chicken.
I like to think that in the house, Rick just hears me scream, shut up at a chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna get run out of hand. Nothing really wrong with the new guy. It was just weird.
Yeah, he just screamed at my chicken for no reason.
He went to town square, started talking with himself as if he's three gossiping ladies. Just weird. Whoops.
You finicky game.
I like how you wait until the end of the day to check the weather for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, let's check the weather. Before I... Rain. Oh,
Nope.
Come on!
No, the first part of the game, you're always going to get sunny. Farmer friend. Yes, Jimmy?
I'm done.
That show went down the hill after season 2.
It sucked at season 1.
Yeah, the pot was alright.
Yeah, frying pan was better. How are you tired already?
It's been a long day, man.
Jeez. You're not going to sleep until you're dead.
You'll die if you don't sleep. Oh, wow, this is a huge field.
Oh yeah, it's really big. Oh, here's the end of it. Now, come on, you can do more. Okay, we're good. I do not want to pass out because I know what will happen.
You will not feel good in the morning.
Not like that, I think. You wake up in the clinic too.
Oh, yeah, right. This one has a clinic, so.
Yeah, and they take your money. Oh, here's $10. Have fun.
Well, he only has $10 to his name. I guess we can just administer a band-aid.
I mean, oh, we have 260.
Yeah, remember we got paid.
Yep, let's go to sleep. Wake up in the morning and go drinking.
Oh, that's our plan. Let's see what the weather is before we. So there's a festival.
It's good weather. So
for tomorrow?
No, the festival's today.
Yeah.
Oh right, the weather for tomorrow. Yeah.
Hooray! All right, so let's go enjoy the festival.
Should probably do the watering first.
Do your watering and do brush the horse, but then
and head to the festival to have some fun.
You're really good at that.
Don't deny it. Okay, dog, I'll come back and pick you up later. Ooh. Oh, sweet. That stuff's kind of grown.
Hooray.
Should we wait until tomorrow to harvest? As nothing's open to replenish our supplies?
Yeah. That'd be a good idea. Yeah, Zach won't even come today anyway. It's a hell of a day. At least water them.
Alright.
They will go bad if you don't water them.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Wow. I did not know that.
Probably because you harvest them right away.
Yeah.
I think you can go like 1 or 2 days without watering, but they will rot.
Oh, wow.
And then they're a pain in the butt because you have to use the sickle to
get rid of them?
Yeah, because then they're like a weed.
That's annoying.
Yep. So just always be on the safe side. Water your plants. I like that our affection to the dog is just to pick it up and put it back down.
Yeah.
That's all we do.
Not like feed it or walk it, just pick it up.
We could feed it. Oh no, wait, this one doesn't have it, I don't think.
Yeah, no, I don't see a dog bowl.
Yeah. Yeah, the 64 one, you can take food to the dog bowl and just throw it in.
Oh, nice. Well,
I guess we should go see this festival.
where does it take place?
Probably in Town Square, is what I'm gonna guess.
Hope we don't get lost. I think we went to the wrong place. It might take place in the mountains. Oh no.
Who is right?
Hey, Mayor.
Hello, Cody. Shall we begin? No, can we, talk to everyone first? Please wait.
Yeah, please wait.
Oh, everyone else said okay. Well, man, everyone's ready.
Yeah,
Not like
sure.
everyone's waiting for your ass. Seeing Anne in that costume reminds me of her mother. Anne has grown up.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Pushover!
I escort Sasha here every year, though she refused me way back in the beginning.
Maybe because you're a pushover.
The goddess costumes are passed down from mother to daughter, from generation to generation.
Cool. Cool story.
And I feel embarrassed because I usually don't wear skirts.
Right.
Yeah, that'd be hard to get used to. I still remember the dance. What memories.
Yeah, that was what, 100 years ago?
Oh! I'm nervous. I'm not good at doing things in public. No,
Cool.
fair enough.
But you...
My daughter hated this kind of shit thing. She never participated in festivals.
Dye your hair.
No, it's got the whole zebra thing going on. Leave it alone, man.
Old creeper. Hey.
I feel embarrassed in these gaudy clothes. But it's a good opportunity to study regional customs.
Friggin' nerd.
Also, I can't see shit without my glasses. Wonderful. Old traditions like this are vanishing from other villages.
Okay. I care why.
You live in this town now. Adopt their customs. As weird as they may be. You look pretty nice, too.
I mean, you know, for a nerd.
That's not me. I thought that's Sue.
She said Mary looks nice.
Yeah, that's Sue.
Pretty sure that's Mary.
I can almost guarantee you that's Sue.
I wonder if there's a way to find out.
We'll find out soon enough.
Yes, we will.
Oh, wow, kid. She looks good in that outfit.
Of course, you like the town drunk.
Actually, to surprise you, I took Ian as my wife when I played 64.
Back in 64, I don't think she was the town drunk.
No, Ian's the farm girl in 64.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Rick, how's it going?
The harsh winter has ended and spring is finally here. The goddess brings the spring.
Oh, you biggest freak!
I'm Woodworker Rick!
What did you just say?
Wubba lubba dub dub!
Oh, God.
She also looks good in this costume.
Mm-hmm. Even though she looks too happy. She looks like one of those ones that's just gonna snap and stab you in your sleep.
Wow, dark. Alright, Barrett, I talked to everyone. Let's get this show on the road.
Yep. Let's get started. Give me a second.
What?
His eyes look like thumbs up.
Kinda, yes, you're right.
I'm like, what?
Or like sideways white hearts, if you really look at it.
Yeah? Holy crap. Yeah, let's get started before I do something stupid.
Oh, you're already too late on that one. You came in here, talked to me, told me to hold this festival.
I didn't tell you to do this. Oh, yeah, I did. Good music.
Very well choreographed.
Yep. Forward, back, spin, spin, spin.
Oh, that's good. They don't end the day, technically.
Yeah, so we could go, like, grab things to sell.
Yeah.
Oh, it's creepy at night with no wind. With the music on.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Right. Gotta put the horse in.
Come on. Oh, come on, you stubborn bastard. God damn it. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Did you forget you can call it?
Yes, I did. Come on.
For those of you wondering, yes, I did know Cody could call the horse. I was going to see how long it would take Cody to realize this fact. Or I want to see Cody push a horse across the field.
No! Come on, you jerk.
Don't run up to him because he runs back to where he thinks you are. There, stop. And go back and see him. What are you trying to put him in the chicken coop for? The bigger barn is the horse barn, I believe.
Oh, let's find out. No, it is this one. I'll prove it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Quit being so stubborn. Come on. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go over. Jesus. Come on. Go up.
Alright, weird.
Thank you.
I thought that was the chicken coop.
No, I think... if I remember correctly...
That's the chicken coop.
Yeah.
Okay. Weird.
Do we even have time to go to grab that stuff?
Not really. It's almost 11 p.m. I take this as a no profit day.
Yeah.
Dog, bring the dog in.
Oh yeah, where is he now?
I don't know. You dropped him halfway across the field, so.
It's like, I don't want to. I don't want to carry you.
And with that, we'll call it here. So until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.